What's up, everybody? This is Brian with the AutoRoom, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of my 2015 Mustang GT. More specifically, what I installed inside. It's something I've been wanting to do for months on this car, and it's finally happened. And I couldn't be happier. Just want to show you a little walk around of it before I jump inside. Finally got it clean for the next 10 minutes or so. Color's impossible to keep clean, but it is what it is. Just a little walk around, let you see what it's working with. All right, enough teasing. It's time to jump inside. Let me show you what I've installed in here. There it is. The digital cluster out of the 2018 and up Mustang. And long story short, I love it. Okay, so basically this video is just gonna show you how the cluster's working in here, show you a little bit of the features, and I do still have my Ford Toucher Sync 2 in here, and it actually works pretty well with the cluster. Oh yeah, I love this digital cluster. This is the digital cluster out of the 2018 and up Premium Mustangs. This is the upgraded cluster. Man, I love this thing. It's just crazy how something this small can really make you love a car again. It's the full digital screen on this one. I mean, it just really adds a good touch to the car. Nice, subtle touch. Still got Sync 2 in my Ford Touch, whatever you want to call it, which actually works pretty good with the cluster. I just love the transitions between ride modes. Sport and track. That's probably my favorite right there. It's nice and simple. You're only seeing what you need to see. Man, I love it. And I've had a lot of questions from people asking how difficult was to install, how much did it cost, and I'll give you my short answer. The install was pretty easy. It took me maybe about an hour, hour and a half. Could have got done sooner, but I got hungry. But I mean, the installation wasn't bad. It was just pretty much removing this upper panel here, side panel down there, side panel down here, headlight switch, this entire panel here with this little cubby here, side panel over here, the upper and lower bezels around the steering column, the airbag and horn itself, which actually just pops out. There are two springs on each side of the airbag there. You just take a small screwdriver and depress it, and it pops out on each side. I'll show you the other side. And that was really my first step, other than disconnecting the negative cable first. I did that first, then I went and disconnected the airbag and horn, unplug the airbag. Behind this there is one 24mm bolt that holds the wheel on. You want to do that, then that's out of the way. And I also had to switch 3 switches onto this wheel. The volume, as you can see, is on the left side. Originally in the 1517s, the volume is on this side. It's now on this side. This switch is new. Of course, this side used to be on this side here. And this switch here, which is pretty much your cluster controls, is now down here. Now, my answer to how much does it cost, was it worth it? Questions I've been asked numerous times in the past few days since I've done this. And my short answer to how much it costs is it can range anywhere between $1,000 to $2,500. The cheaper side being if you use the link that I have in the description and source the parts on your own through either dealerships or online, eBay, Amazon, that type of thing. Or you can buy the plug and play kits from like Hell Horse Performance or Infotainment, which there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you want to just have a plug and play kit, those will be your go-tos. But I really wanted to save cost as much as I could doing this, so I ended up just sourcing everything from the local dealerships, and I ended up buying the cluster off of eBay. So I had maybe roughly around $1,100, $1,200 into everything, which is actually pretty good on this. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I did have to program the cluster using Forslund, using it's called a USB OBD adapter. I use that. It's an Elm brand, which I'll have in the Amazon link in the description. But I use that to communicate between the car and Forslund on my laptop, and use that to program the cluster, program certain features, disable certain features. I was also able to program my correct mileage into it. Yeah, I do drive a lot, I know. But I mean, my answer to whether or not it was worth it, absolutely, yeah. I would do this over again. I would install this for anybody with this body style, the 15s and up. I would love to do another install on this because it's such a rewarding addition to the car. And I truly do love it. So, was it worth it? Yeah. Would I do it again? Oh yeah. I'm just gonna mess with the different modes on this one. So yeah, I just wanted to show everybody that yeah, it is possible, and you definitely should do it. All right, thanks for watching.